I've got my Allure and my Maniology Mani. So if you want to see what's in these boxes, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. The dogs are kicking about all over the place and Chloe's with my mom. But if you're new, thanks so much for stopping by. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I have two boxes to unbox, mainly because this one here is not huge. There's not a lot in it. It would be like a 1 minute video, maybe 2 minutes at the most. My introduction would take longer. So Maniology is a nail stamping subscription. And I signed up for 3 months because there was one that I really wanted. And I said, well, you know, get a few more. And you get 2 stamping plates, 2 nail colors, and I don't know, some other thing. This month it looks like kind of a steampunk type of design. Yeah, steampunk. So here's a little tutorial, and that's kind of easy enough for me to do because it's just 2 colors. Here are the nail colors, so that's interesting. Well, maybe this is the bottom color? I'm not sure. It looks like, no, this is definitely on a coat of black, which I do have black polish. They also have these little areas on top, so you can pop this off and then you can paint the color on here so that when it's just sitting like this in your drawer, you can know which colors are which. You don't have to take everything out to find the colors that you want. The extra this month, it looks like a powder. There's a little applicator, and then there it is. Don't ask me how to use that because I have no clue. I'd have to watch somebody else. Maybe Christine over at Lake with Christine is gonna, I know she gets a subscription. Maybe she'll do something with it and that will teach me. If you're watching, Christine, I need that help. There is a little sticker that you could put wherever on your thermos, wherever you want. And your 2 stamping plates. Love that bee there. That's going to be super cute. And that's that. On to Allure. So this is a mixture of full size and deluxe samples. There's usually at least 5, sometimes a few more, maybe 7, up to 7 items I think I've seen in here. There is a little pamphlet that goes over the products in here. And there is your sneak peek. The very first thing in here is a full-size product. This is by Tula, and this is their Balanced Skincare Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen. It's a SPF of 30, and sunscreen, as we know, is not just for the summertime. Obviously, we have to be a little bit more cognizant in the summertime, maybe increase our SPF. But as a 30, this is something I would probably use fall, winter, you know, early spring, when it's not as, when the sun isn't as strong. That is a $38 value. Now this whole box is like, I don't know, 21, 23, something like that. So right there, you've already made your money back. Next, by Color Wow, is their Supernatural Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. This is a travel size. It is 1.7 fluid ounces. The full size of 6.7 ounces is $28. And from what I have seen, you have to like saturate your hair with this. Like just saturate it and then dry it. It is supposed to help with the frizzies, help with humidity, and it says that your hair will be so glossy it can compete with a candy apple at the state fair. I haven't gotten those results, but I think it does help, but you really got to saturate your hair first. Next, by Belief, is their Aqua Bomb Hyalucid 11% serum. It says it improves hydration in the skin and it's a daily antioxidant. This is a serum. It's got hyaluronic acid. It says there's 5 different types in here. And it also has ferulic acid to help protect your skin barrier. The full size of 15 milliliters is $32, and this is a 5 milliliter size. So it's a third of the size. Big box, little product. Kind of a waste. I don't need the big box. Next, by Vanilla Co. is the Clean It Zero 3-in-1 Cleansing Balm. Always love a cleansing balm. This helps remove stubborn, waterproof mascara and full coverage base products. And you're just going to use a nickel size. $19 for the 100 milliliter full size. And this is 7 milliliters. So, just a tiny little bit, but enough to give it a try to know if you like it. Next, by Larizzi, we have their lip gloss in the color Curve. It's a pretty color. Smells delicious. I like that. Definitely get use out of that. This is a $16 value. It is full size. It's considered a mauve pink. Next, by LaRousse, we have a set of 2 brushes. Now this is a pricey brand. The brushes are amazing. So we have an angled and a fluffy like cheek brush here. And this is a $48 value. So again, very pricey brand, but very good brushes. Then the last thing in here is a sample of the Anne Klein Love Rose Absolute. This is a box sponsor. The full size of this for 3.4 ounces is $50. This is 1.5 milliliters. That is a little bit more floral than I like. And the undertones are definitely going to give me problems later. And I don't know, again, sometimes it's just the alcohol that it's mixed with. Sometimes if these were mixed with an essential oil, like a jojoba oil, I could probably get better results with it. But as it stands, this is not something I will be using. So I'm going to pass this on to somebody who might prefer that scent. It's just not a scent for me. It's not a bad scent, but there's something about the undertones that definitely are going to cause problems. So at least I didn't put it on in the morning. Okay, so those are those 2 boxes. Let me know your thoughts. What did you think? I think the Allure box definitely month after month after month just brings through some great brands, some high-end brands, a nice mixture of full size and samples. So I'm happy with that box 100%. The Maniology is a nice subscription if you have a lot of time to do your nails. I don't. I can do kind of the simpler things when I have time, but it's summertime and I'm working out in my plantings, which are all on my porch. They're none in my yard because my yard is a terrible mess. But I don't want to take all that time to do something that's going to just end up within a couple of days coming off because I'm scrubbing my nails to get all the dirt out. But it is a nice subscription and it comes out of Honolulu. You're supporting a small business when you support them. And again, their products are absolutely wonderful. Just for me, I don't have a lot of time. I really only picked it up for one particular box. That was their Abyss box. But I said, well, I'll just do a 3-month and, you know, just kind of update, refresh my collection a little bit. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me today. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.